everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and today we are going to store some more carrots, only I'm going to show you another technique. So you just saw me storing a whole bunch of beautiful carrots in sand, and that is great when you want long-term storage. But what happens to all the carrots that don't make it to cold storage? So come take a look at these. So in these buckets here, I just put a damp cloth over it for overnight so the carrots don't wilt or get soft. So you have some smaller carrots. This one kind of broke. You know, these are kind of the ones that didn't make the cold storage criteria, but they're still good carrots. They're still good eating carrots, cooking carrots, but we want to store them as well. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You could also can with these, and I'll put a link to the video that I show you how to can carrots. But for today, we're going to show you how to store these carrots in the fridge. All you need to do is have a bag, any kind of plastic bag, and I like to reuse the bags I get from shopping. I have a bowl with water, and this is just to simplify me showing you because I don't want to go to the sink 3 or 4 times, so I just have water here. You can just do this by your sink. I have some paper towel. Now you could just use a towel too, or paper towel, it doesn't matter. You need something that can be inserted to keep them moist. So what you need to do is take a piece of paper towel, fold it up like so, moisten it, wring it out. Now you want this moist, you don't want this dripping wet. The whole point is so the carrots have some moisture in the bag, but you don't want wet. So I'm gonna put this in the bag just at the bottom, just like that. And these carrots right here, they're not washed. They still have garden dirt on them. So that's good, and you want to get rid of any tops or any greenery because that's what's going to mold in your bags. So I'm just kind of cleaning it up as I go, making sure I get everything. If you see clumps of dirt, sometimes I just like removing them. And if they're really long on top, I just take it off. So I do a solid 3/4 full, and then I just do a double check to make sure I got all the greenery, everything looks good, and then I do the same thing here. I grab another piece of paper towel, fold it up, stick it into my water, wring it out, and straighten it out again. I put it on top, and that's all you need. You don't need everything covered. You don't need a drenching. And then what you want to do is just tie up this bag a little closer, and that way what's going to happen is you're going to have water droplets form in the bag, and that's good because carrots or vegetables are living, so they need to breathe. So all I do is close this up a little bit like this, just to hold in the moisture, but allowing it to breathe. And then I just check it about every 2 or 3 days and make sure my paper towel is moist, spray it if I need to. But we go through these carrots fairly fast, so I don't really have to worry about constant maintenance for a long period of time. This is a short-term storage. I've held carrots for 2 to 3 months like this, and it does work if you keep on top of the moisture. You gotta let them breathe, but you gotta watch the bottom, because the bottom here is where things are gonna mold. So you wanna make sure you're constantly using your carrots. Make sure you take any ones that are getting mushy, and it really helps right here to get this stuff off your carrots, because this is the stuff that's gonna taint your carrots, mold your carrots quicker. So this here, I would say, would be your second way of storing carrots if you don't have sand or some kind of other medium to store them in. This is a really good fridge method. In fact, my great grandma does this, my mom does this. We did this on the farm because we didn't have adequate cold storage. It does work. So once you're done with your bag, you go into your fridge. Here, you open up your crisper. There's an empty one. You put them in, close it up, and all done. So once your carrots are in the fridge, you can enjoy them, snack on them. There's nothing like a fresh garden carrot. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.